paint job so you don't damage it. I got that, there we go. Remove this gas cap, and of course that's the plastic piece right there. And let's do a little close-up on it. The piece that controls this, so I'm going to disconnect it here. All right, so that's same thing at the bottom. It's a twin, and then this should just easily separate right there. We'll just go ahead and remove this plastic piece here, which is our safety clip that goes in the trunk of the car. We will just reuse it. Got a new one. And what I'm gonna just do, open it from the trunk area, and then I'll just insert that, just like that. And of course, okay. That piece is there. There it is. Connection here, no electrical connector. And then we can just start by putting everything, and of course bring our gas cap. And then we will see. There we go. Back in business. All right, so that's how you replace that electrical piece right here for the 2013 Audi A6, and that's if your gas cap thing starts staying open or it's remain locked. So at least we have that now. All right, catch you in the next one. Peace and love.